Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria on PC and mobile. First, for PC, you'll need to purchase Terraria through Steam. Once installed, ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for optimal performance. Terraria is best played on PC using a keyboard and mouse, offering precise control for building, combat, and inventory management. Take a few moments to review the default key bindings, which are easily customizable to suit your playstyle. Now, let's talk about playing Terraria on mobile devices. You can download the game from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store for a small, one-time purchase. Mobile gameplay primarily uses a virtual joystick for movement and on-screen buttons for actions like attacking and interacting. For a more console-like feel, many players prefer connecting a Bluetooth controller, which offers greater precision. Remember to customize the interface and button sizes in the settings for your best experience. Regardless of your platform, Terraria's core gameplay loop remains consistent. Start by gathering essential resources such as wood and stone to craft your first tools and weapons. Exploration is key. Venture into various biomes, each offering unique challenges, enemies, and valuable treasures. Building a secure base is crucial for survival, especially during the night when more dangerous monsters appear. Progress through the game by defeating powerful bosses, which unlock new areas and advanced crafting recipes. Here are some essential tips for new Terraria players. Always ensure you have a reliable light source like torches when venturing into dark caves to avoid unseen dangers. Engage with the various non-player characters who move into your town. They offer valuable advice, healing, and sell useful items. Focus on upgrading your pickaxe early on, as a better pickaxe allows for faster mining and access to higher-tier ores. Finally, experiment with different weapon types and accessories to find what suits your combat style best.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.